Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Happy Color application on your iPhone. So let's get started right away. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Happy Color and search. Look for this application from Xflow and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. Now wait until the application gets downloaded and installed, which will take several minutes. Once it's done, open the application, and that is how you should be able to download Happy Color application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.